I'm back. So now it's time to play with the baby. God, my arms look so fat. It's not fat, it's muscle. It's a little flabby. I got gloves. In case you didn't know, during this pandemic, you can't just go to Walmart and buy gloves because everyone and their mother is buying gloves right now, and that's really annoying because this is what I have to deal with, and I don't like it. I mean, whatever. Nobody can question whether or not I work on cars when my hands are just stained with grease and oil. But yeah, so the only gloves they had were like the expensive ones, which are probably better, I'm gonna be honest, because they're rip resistant. They're dual layered, rip resistant. I don't know. Venom Steel, sponsor my video. So yeah, it's a nitrile glove. It should do the job pretty well, but I'm talking like these things are $1 per pair, so they better be nice. Probably gonna go on Amazon. They actually are really nice. And find something that I can get in. This box was $25 for 50 gloves. 50 cents a glove, guys. 50 cents a glove. So better be worth it. I always wind up like tearing gloves and stuff when I work on cars with them, and then I just get annoyed and I stop wearing them because I'm tired of replacing them. Then my hands get gross. So, I don't know. Javier's the one that's kind of pushing for the gloves. If he likes them, he can use them. And they didn't even have like size differences. Like it is a one size, which means they're huge on me. I have little hands, like baby hands. Like my welding gloves, I have to special order because you can't just go into the store and buy small welding gloves. No, of course not. Why would they make anything geared towards people with little hands, specifically women? I mean, what am I gonna need gloves for? Gardening? They make small gardening gloves. You can go to Walmart and get small gardening gloves. But plan for the day, I think, is to get all of the components off. Alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, get the belts off, and then I'm probably gonna take manifold off and start cleaning the head block up. We'll see where we get. I don't really know what's gonna happen. Failed you guys, I didn't show you the beard crack. It is actually afternoon here, just in case you wanted to know. I'm not morning drinking like I usually do. It's like 12:30. If you're beer drinkers, I have recently learned I like drinking Hefeweizen while I work outside because it's light and refreshing. And it's not like Corona or Bud Light. Not that there's anything wrong with those, but I just prefer more flavorful beer, I guess. Also, while I was at Walmart, found some pretty bomb Hot Wheels. People always give you like the ugliest stares, like, those are for children, why are you buying those? And I'm just like, because they're cool. I got like an RX-7, I got an NC Miata, I got a CRX, no, maybe I got a CRZ. I might have gotten a CRZ. I got a C8 Corvette. Like, I got some cool stuff. Like, these are cars that I would love to own and drive, so if I can't, I might as well just own little mini versions of them, you know? But yeah, people give you horrible looks. Horrible looks. Like, ugh. It's like, whatever. You do your thing. rail just dumped gas all over the floor. I made a maze.
What'd you do?
Pulled the floor rail off. Yeah. Alright, so I got everything off that I kind of needed to and just taped up some of the holes that we don't want to get anything in. Bought 2 cans of degreaser, so we're just gonna soak it down and yeah, it's about to get rubbish. Huh?
They gonna want the whole lot.
Brody. Look at it, As per status quo, I'm editing the video and realized that my camera died and I never showed you guys the kind of end results. We're still gonna clean it up. This is not end results. We have to clean it to where we can actually paint it. Make it look pretty, but I figured I would show you where we got from how gross it was just in one cleaning, where we are now. So you can actually see the silver. That's the impressive, so that's what everything looks like. And there we are. So it looks way better. It's definitely, like I said, it's not end result. We got most of the grime off of this side of the oil pan. Yeah, so we just gotta, you know, continue to clean it up and whatnot. But it's coming along. Making progress. That's all that matters. Keep making progress.